The weather's turning. We have our first frost that's going to stick around for a few days coming up at the end of next week, and we have our first snow forecasted. So the wood furnace is going to be fired up again soon, the fabulous heating system. We have one heat exchanger in the air handler at the far end of the house that services the living room and the kitchen and the dining room and stuff. And I need to tie into the pipe and provide for a second heat exchanger, which I need to install, but not today. So I'm going to tee into the return hot water return line and have it feed through the second heat exchanger. So this allows me, of course, to shut off the heat exchanger if I need to work on it for any reason. The only problem is that it's in a very awkward spot. So I pre-assembled what I need. So I need to take far less with me into this wonderful black hole. So let's see how it goes. So this is the air handler at the bedrooms end of the house. So I'm going to install the heat exchanger there in the duct work prior to it being distributed around the house. So the air handle, of course, blows over the heat exchanger as before the framework is falling apart. So I need to fix that like I did at the other end, but that's good. That's not today. Today I'm simply going to tie into the hot water over here and leave two pipes ready to head over here to the heat exchanger. So the plan is to tie into the blue line, which is the return line, and splice that in. And then these two, of course, will be for the heat exchanger. It's not pressurized, but there is quite a bit of head on it. So my plan is to cut into it, quickly shove those two plugs in place so the water doesn't squirt everywhere. I, however, don't know that I'm going to be successful. We will see. So job number one for today is done. Spliced in, leak-proof, and ready for another day. Not tomorrow. I'll put the other heat exchanger in when it's a little colder, because I'm sweating. Driving me a little nuts under here. A bit hot today. Hot being, I don't know, 50 degrees, but a little too warm for hard work in a sweatshirt.